In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Genspark AI PDF. Once you've finished creating your document and you're happy with the final result, the export process is very quick. The first thing you'll want to do is open your completed project inside the editor. To get there, navigate to your finished file within either the AI document generator or the AI PDF generator tool. Make sure you're opening the final version you want to save, since the exported file will reflect what's currently in the project. After you're inside the editor, look toward the upper right corner of the interface. You should see the export button there. Go ahead and click it to begin the download process. This is the main action that tells Genspark you're ready to turn your project into a shareable file. So if you've made any last-minute edits, it's a good idea to confirm everything looks correct before moving on. When the export options appear, choose PDF. This will generate a formatted, page-by-page version of your document that's designed for standard paper sizes like A4 or US letter. That's especially helpful if you plan to print the file, send it to someone else, or keep a clean offline copy for your records. Once PDF is selected, the file will be prepared for download so you can save it directly to your device. And that's all there is to it. Open your completed project in the editor, click Export in the upper right corner, and select PDF to download the formatted version. If you want the best results, it's always worth taking a quick final look at the layout before exporting, so the saved file matches exactly what you expect.